Hi everyone! Happy Thanksgiving! I'm Amy, and today I'm making Pumpkin Delight. This delicious no-bake dessert is easy to make and it's great for Thanksgiving and the holidays. So let's get started. In an 8x8 baking pan, add 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/2 cup of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar. Now mix this together until it's well combined. Press this into the bottom of your pan and then set it aside. In a mixing bowl, add 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese at room temperature, 1 cup of canned 100% pure pumpkin, 3/4 cup of sugar, and 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, depending on how much spice you like. Now beat this together until it's well combined. Then fold in 2.5 cups of thawed whipped topping. Now spread the mixture over your graham cracker crust. Now just chill this in the refrigerator for about 3 hours before serving. And here it is, Pumpkin Delight. And this is delicious, topped with whipped cream. And be sure to store this in the refrigerator. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. And this is delicious. Oh, I hit the plate. Wait a minute. Did you see that? Whoops. Happy Thanksgiving!